Greenleaf Printing and Designs has stupendous signage, printed and embroidered apparel, and promotional products for you. They're at 5526 Burkhart Road in Dayton and on the web at greenleafprinting.com.
My name is Destiny Hamilton, and I live at 1134 Randolph Street. Hello, Mayor, City Commissioners, City Manager, and above all, fellow citizens of Dayton. In the past few weeks, I reported that I'll be coming before you speaking on subjects of interest to our community in conjunction with the Inner West Priority Board's Youth Mentorship Program. This morning, I would like to discuss the City Manager's cost-cutting strategy, the partition. Priority Board members went over the contents of this document with me. You get an earful as you promote this plan throughout our great city. Many of the 37 points I have no personal experience, but 3 in particular items, 15, 17, and 19. Item 15 swaps recycling and regular trash. As we're the only house on our block to use the big blue recycling container, I think this approach would only add a lot of trash into the recycling containers. Item 17 suggests cutting the priority boards by 50%. As early as age 4, I can remember going to the Inner West Priority Board, my grandfather a priority board member for many years. One day, I recall putting tax in Miss Mona's seat. Seeing it done on Nickelodeon, I thought it would be cool. I hid behind Miss Popovich's desk as Mona came back to her seat. She saw me hiding and instantly knew something was up. She pulled her chair out slowly and saw the tax. She wasn't happy and fussed at me. It takes a village. Another time, I thought it would be cool to write on the walls of the priority board. I spent 3 days washing walls. It takes a village. It was not all doom and gloom for me, however. Miss Taylor would always meet me with a smile and talk to me like I was her own. Miss Bonaparte would stop the meeting when I came in late to give me a hug. She gave me a doll more than 8 years ago, and I still have it. Item 19, recreation. At age 4, I entered the Recreation and Youth Services Learn to Swim program, and over the next 5 years, graduated through level 6. I joined the Recreation and Youth Services Dayton Dolphins and swam with them for 2 years, then joined the powerful Dayton Raiders, unquestionably the best club team in the state. Miss Ellington, chair of the Inner West Priority Board, suggested to my grandfather that I check out rowing. She knew the president of the club, and he stated they were desperately trying to recruit inner-city youth. Earlier this year, I joined the Greater Dayton Rowing Association and resigned from the Dayton Raiders. I'm a product of the Priority Board and Recreation and Youth Services. Without their existence, I would not be the person I am today. I hope future children have the same opportunities I had. And the word for today is regatta. Thank you.
Thank you.